Now students, as you know that in my previous video we have already finished the reading portion of chapter number 2 of geography. Today we are going to discuss the question answers. Question number 1. Answer the following question. 1. What are the three layers of the earth? The three layers of the earth is the crust, mantle and the core. Next question is, what is rock? Rock, any mass of mineral matter that make up the earth crust is called a rock. Name the three types of rocks. The three types of rocks are igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock. We have discussed this. It's given on page number 6 also. 7. Now, next topic question is, how is extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? Students, extrusive rocks are both the rocks are formed by the molten lava which comes from the earth surface. Extrusive rocks formed when it is rapidly cools down and forms a fine granite, whereas intrusive rocks are formed when the molten lava solidifies at a slow process. It's given on page number 8 and the third paragraph. Clear class? So, question number 5. What do you mean by a rock cycle? We come to page number 9. Rock cycle. The process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. When the rocks has been transformed, from the process of transforming the rocks from one form to the another form, it is the rock cycle. What are the uses of rocks? Rocks, is used for building, for making monuments, for jewelry, ornaments, hammer. These are the different types of uses of rocks. What are metamorphic rock? Igneous rock and sedimentary rock are changed due to the high heat changes in another form of rock that is known as the metamorphic rock. It's given on page number 8, last paragraph. Students, now come to question number 2. Tick the correct answer. The rock which is made up of molten magma is the answer is a igneous rock. Second part, the innermost layer of the earth is the core. Third is, gold, petroleum and coal are the example of minerals. Fourth, rock is contain fossils are sedimentary rocks. Fifth, the thinnest layer of the earth is crust. Question number 3. Match the following. Core is E part, the innermost layer. E is 1. Second, minerals. D, mass, definite chemical composition. Third is rock. Answer is 3. Rock, use for road and buildings. Fourth is clay, change into slate. And fifth is SAIL, SAIL, means made up of silicon and aluminum. So students, this completes your question number 3. Now question number 4. Give reasons of the following. We cannot go to the center of the earth. Students, the answer is the answer of this question is, we cannot go to the center of the earth because it is very high temperature and pressure which lies 6,000 kilometers. Clear? Now, sedimentary rocks are formed from sediment because it is compressing of hardening and particles. See, it's given when we were discussing about sedimentary rocks, page number 8. The sediment rolls, cracks and break down small fragment. The smaller particles called sediment. Here we will find the answer. Third is, limestone is changed from marble. Changed from the marble because of the extreme heat and pressure. Students, as you know, I have discussed all the question answers of chapter 2 of geography. Students, school planner is easily available at the school. Please, if you find any problem, you can get the planner in the school. Students, in the difficult time of this COVID-19, we need your support. Please deposit the monthly fees. Thank you.